good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poznan, Poland. Wow, it's a beautiful, bright, sunny today. And Damian is home today. So later I'm gonna pick up Damian in the airport. Yay! So yeah, first of all, let's go for a coffee. And then we will pick up Damian today. Nice, I was so happy.
Right, going back home from Stuttgart airport. My flight is 10:55 at morning, going through Warsaw by lot to Poznan. Oh, so cool. So I will make a quick stop so we can upload. A little bit of the classic shot of the runway and everything. As you can see, it's actually mountainish city. One day I'm gonna come here by car probably. I'm gonna explore a little bit more of Stuttgart. It's actually 2 hours to Zurich in Switzerland. Little bit of the airport situation here in Stuttgart, like this one. Alright, flying again. Beautiful weather today in Stuttgart. Flying with LOT, Polish Airlines. That's nice actually, so I'm not gonna fly some Ryanair or something. It's cool. Nice view. In Europe, all the small roads have a small planes, like 2 rows, but spacious, a lot of space. And yeah, LOT, Lufthansa. I don't know if you realize we have a similar logos actually. So I will see you in Warsaw. 30 minutes there. I don't know, I will film something. Landing in Warsaw. The city center is there. Warsaw. So we are really fine now, Cole. Going by the VIP Mercedes bus, like something. I don't know what is my plane. So actually I'm boarding for the very last person. Why not?
Is actually cleaning the road. So we were there in the church and look at this car. This car actually cleaning the road. And now we will go to Rynek Jasicki. Wow, beautiful sunny today and everybody's already wearing their summer clothes. It's hot. So we are in the Rynek Jasicki. Wow, there's so many nice dresses here. Okay, I have to be quick, otherwise my money will jump out. I know, I love shopping and I live in Jasicki district and close to the Rynek and cherries. Nice. So we are in a flower shop. You know that how I am. Now I'm becoming a botanist. Really love flowers. And all is very nice. Look at this one. Beautiful. See, it's so many beautiful flowers. Oh, raspberries. I feel like I wanna buy this one, Morello. But this one is long line, long queue, but I feel like I wanna go here. Look at this. I think that I will buy maline or sweet cherries or truskavka. So many fresh products. That's the tomato, cherries, so many things. So this is what I really like about the market. See, I bought my cebula and I bought my cherries, I bought my tomato in front of me. So many shop. So yeah, let's see. Oh, look at this. There are so many. Oh, now it's the mushroom. I remember that next week I will have a mushroom picking with my friends. Look. Look at this, a beautiful, so many fresh fruit actually. And here is the meat shop. Nogales Wento Marcinski, Cebula. Nice. That's the clothes market. This is what I really like about going to the traditional market. So many nice things. Beautiful. Oh, very nice. Nice. Wow, Calivior. So many fresh products. I really like it. Nice. Look at the fresh tomatoes. I have one cherry already. Oh, Agrest. I don't know what sort of fruit is that, but Damian always said that buy the fruit that he knows, and he told me. That's it. So this one is the Drup, which sell the fresh meat. And yeah, that's it. Nice. Look at this shop. This shop selling so many herbs. Paprika, Argentina, Creole peeps. Nice. Oh, peanuts, chestnut, mead. So nice. So I've done my shopping. I have to get out from the market, otherwise I will buy all the products. And my mother-in-law actually already prepared me so many foods in the box, in the jars. So I just need to buy the fresh products only. For the salad, tomatoes, something like that. So yeah, now I want to have a coffee before I meet my husband. Look at this beautiful shop in front of me. Cosmetic, natural cosmetic, and this one is the flower shop. Very nice. So now I'm getting inside the Rinakesichki, and here in front of me is the children playground, and next to it is a very nice, beautiful coffee shop. And this is how is the Kamenicha or something like that. So yeah, let's go. I wanna buy coffee. Let's go inside. So I just come inside the coffee shop and look at this green nature. I like this concept. So I have a special pastry here, Siagodanka. So inside is something like blueberry and coffee. So smachnito, and look at the nice place. And kiwi solong. This place is small but seems like busy, and this Yagoda, look. Oh, inside is the blueberry, and the taste so sweet and fresh. Nice. Look at this beautiful garden. Oh, so lovely. And this one, the roof and the flowers. So good. I really like it. This is another Polish pastries that you have to try. Jagodanka. And inside the blueberries so sweet and fresh, like this. Look at these peachy eggs. Maybe I will ask Damian to buy one for me so I can stroll around. Okay, this is what I like about living in Yesice. Everywhere is close by. You see? And Max. So let's go home. It's time to go home, and in front of me preschool, and that's Rina Kesitski. So we will go there basically. So nice. Look at these beautiful flowers. Very nice. I just dropped my shopping and then I took the first bus. Now I will go with the second bus, actually going to the airport. So it is very enjoyable here. This is what I really like living in Poznan. Very nice walk path. The public transportation is very good and convenient, and yeah, it's very nice, hot and sunny. So yeah, I really love it and I can't wait to see my husband soon. Yay! So we are in the Silina bus station. I will take the bus 159 and we go to Port Lotnica Lavica. And this is how the bus situation. And the traffic situation is just like this. Oh, look at this. I told you Poznanian really like riding bicycles. I think that this one is a group of students in the summer. So enjoyable. Oh, so long. Oh wow, so long. Arrived here in the airport, and I think that Damian said to me he will be late, so I just dropped here and then I'm going to, shopping first to cool off myself. Oh my god, it's so hot. It's just like 26 degrees currently, and I feel like this is already like a Bali weather. So hot. I need to cool off myself. So that's over there, the airport, and this one is the BP station, which is gas station. And next to me, McDonald's. Ta-ra-ta-ta-ta. Ice cream time. So hot outside. Here actually in the McDonald's, and look at the kiwi. And yes, I'm waiting for my ice cream. Alright. My ice cream cost me 9 sote. So hot outside. I need to stay under the aircon like this. Oh, nice. I just arrived in the airport. Now I'm gonna pick up Damian, and this is how is the airport situation. So yeah, let's go. So I'm already inside the airport, and actually this is how it looks. You see so many tour travel agency here on the top. The advertisement. I think that is the departure. That's the information. I never been inside the airport actually. I don't know. This is arrival probably. I will go. Actually, that's the departure. I'm looking for the arrivals. There is small shop here. Oh, I think this one is arrivals. This is the arrival. So Damian will go out from this door or that door. So yeah, I'm still waiting for him. He's taking his bag. Kochanie. Oh my god, it's feeling like it has been a long time. Kochanie.
How are you?
Give me a kiss. Finally you arrived.
Oh, you come to see me? Thank you, Sarah.
I always pick you up.
No, okay, let's go home and have some pizza for dinner. Yo. Let's go.
What's happening? Why you
They
look
lost
so
my
sad?
bag.
Lost your bag?
I used to visit 4 continents, 30 countries. Used to live in 5 countries.
Used to live in Bali.
Used to live in Bali.
Used to travel to Vietnam.
I survived Vietnam.
Tak? But
And
you
lo-
lost your
and
bag
they,
here
and they
in
lost
Poland.
my bag. No, from Germany to Poland.
From Germany to Poland, they lost your bag.
Germany to Poland. I don't know what should I think about that. It's so funny.
Is it gonna be back?
I hope so. If not, I hope so. They pay a lot of money. It's closed. So I need a new one. So, well, it's okay. Let's go.
Let's go. So basically, this is like the feeling like when we used to travel, making video, and we live in Southeast Asia.
A little bit. Actually, a little bit back to the how everything started. Actually, right?
So, do you like your job? Your new job, Kanye?
I just
traveling. I know you really love it.
Especially if I'm moving around. I like it. If I stay in the office, but moving around, that's for me. I'm back and I'm driving a girl, my car. Sam, how do you feel after me not being for a few days? And you stay alone in Poland, not in Bali, huh?
One thing, I had so much fun activities with my friends.
You had a kielbasa from the...
Kielbasa, every day I go having a coffee with my friends, and I'm not lonely while you are away. That's the thing.
That's the most important thing, lah.
That, and I'm used to it that. You know, when we were living in Bali and you used to travel to Kuala Lumpur for 1 month, you used to be in Bangkok for 1 month. Like, for me, it's not a big deal. You know, as long as you do what you love and you love what you do, that's the most important thing.
Now pizza time.
All right, let's go to pizza. Right, so we just arrived in one pizza restaurant and look at this.
1991.
1991. It means that I was 1 year old and Damian not born yet, because I was born 1990 and Damian 1992. Let's go inside. Looks cute. Let's go. Right, so we are inside here. Oh la la, see? You feel like in a very nice place. Ooh, very nice. Begonia flowers. Nice. Let's go. So here is inside the restaurant, and I would like to have a Hawaiian pizza. Nice. What would you like to have, Kohani?
Some pizza, but I'm not sure what which one yet.
Okay, Dobbs. Really like very nice, authentic Italian. Oh, that's very beautiful flower. That's the real one. And this one is the garden, and this one is the pizza things. Hi. And I would like to show you actually the place like this. Oh, really like in Italian, Damian said. And here look. Oh, nice. They have wine like this, and they have a wine house, and they have a sitting also outside like this. They have a tree there. Nice. Ooh la la, look at this pizza, is so huge. Look at yours.
Ah,
Wow. Smacznego, kochani. Home sweet home, kochani.
are you happy I'm back?
Tak. I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and
See you tomorrow.
bye.